How to remove your Gmail account from another device? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your Gmail app. Make sure that you sign into your account. Tap on profile icon at top right corner. Then you will have to choose Manage your Google account. This will take to your Google account page. Go to Security tab. Scroll down and find all the devices or simply manage all devices option, which is most probably under your devices section. Tap on manage all devices. Here you will see all the devices list where your Google account is logged in. Select the device you want to sign out of. Now tap on the sign out button and you need to simply confirm the action and then you are done. With that, you will simply remove your Gmail account from another device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.